Hey, we're back in the kitchen with Chef Duke. We're doing another one of our great appetizers, Eggplant LoCicero. We've taken the eggplant, we've peeled it, we've cut it in about 1/2-inch round slices. We're gonna do our breading procedure again. Simply seasoned flour, which is just Creole seasoning. I put granulated garlic. And here we go. We're just gonna take this egg wash, put it right there, make sure it gets all covered. I like to pat down on it, make sure it's got a nice crust on it. If you don't have it, just dip it back in there. You're gonna take this and put it in our fry later. The sauce for this is called Eggplant LoCicero. It's named after me. Starts off with the oil in a hot pan. Some of our garlic. We're going to take our crawfish and our Louisiana shrimp. That's both Louisiana shrimp and crawfish. Toss it around. Fresh basil. Fresh dill, which is something I really love with seafood. Sun-dried tomatoes. Some pimentos. Vodka. I always pull it off when you put it on. I like the fire. A little bit of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna season it. A little Italian seasoning, a little crushed red pepper, a little bit of Cajun. Again, right at the end, a little lemon juice. And just a little touch of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna let that reduce down, and when I come back, we're gonna plate up Eggplant LoCicero. We got our eggplant, took them right out the fry later. We got them sitting right here. Got our great sauce. Look at that, just reduced down. Nappe, coats the back of the spoon and runs off. I have some fresh arugula. That just with a little lemon juice, and a little bit of fresh virgin olive oil. We're gonna put our first piece down. We're going to take a nice heaping of the sauce right on top. We're going to put the other part on top. Just pour the rest of it on there. Try to get it on the plate. And there it is. Eggplant LoCicero. Dig in, New Orleans.